Hi, my name is Alicia Armenta. This is for Bio 240, Anatomy and Physiology 2 on 11/5/2017. And this is for lab video exercise number 1, the endocrine system. And today I will be showing you how to digitally label an image and input it in my lab report. So we're going to go to the lab report, and I have cut out the images because they are poor quality. So it's a blank slate, but I have actually saved the images, oh, those are my two dogs, to my email. And then I clicked on the image, each image, and saved them to my Google Drive. So I've already done that. I just clicked that and they saved to my Google Drive. So then I go to my Google Drive and then click on my drive and then go to Google Drawings. And so I've already done that. So I clicked on Google Drawings and it comes up with a blank slate, but I've already brought up the image I want to label today, and I've enlarged it and cropped it so that you can see it better. I have horrible eyesight, so I needed to enlarge it. So the way I brought this image here is I clicked on Insert, Image, and then clicked on the image I wanted. So I've already done that. There's the image. Now we're going to label 3 different structures on this image here. So we're going to go to the arrow. I like using the arrow. It's nice and clean and you can tell what you're looking at. And then click on it. And we're going to label an acidophil cell first. So we're just going to hold down, click and hold down, and then point the arrow to where you want to label it. I want to point it there. Well, actually, yeah, that's good. Okay, so I pointed it to where I wanted to label. Then I'm going to click line weight and make it to 4 point so it's bigger and more precise. Then I'm going to click on the text box and then click by the line and then change the font to where it's more legible. I like 24. Then we're going to type in acidophil cell. Okay, so now we have done that. I'm going to go back here, make it a little smaller. Oh crap. Hold on 1 second, I'm doing this with one hand. Okay. We're going to bring this back over. We're going to make it nice and straight. Bam. Okay. Acidophil cell. So I've labeled this globular looking structure, which is supposed to be dyed red. That is an acidophil cell. This image is poor quality, so I apologize for that. I had no input on the quality. Okay, now I'm going to label my next image. So we just hold down and click, and as we're holding down we can move the arrow wherever we want. Now we're going to label this smaller dot or cell. I'm so simple-minded. And we're going to change that line weight to 4 point as well. And then we're going to click on the text box and change the font to 24 and label this one basophil cell. So we've labeled that now. We're going to move that over so we can there's that. Whoops, a little too much. Okay, and we have our basophil. That looks nice and neat, so you can tell the difference between what I've labeled. Now we're going to label our 3rd and final structure. So we're going to go back to the arrow. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to click and hold down and point and let go. And then change the line to 4-point, and then click on text box, and then click, change the point, and then type in, this one's a little more difficult, site cell. Okay, make that a little more clean. And there you have it, pituitary cell. So now we've labeled all 3 images very clean and neatly. Now we can't copy and paste directly on the screen, so we have to upload the image in a different manner. So we're going to go to File, Download As, and then PNG image. Then you're going to click OK. Then it loads up the image for you. Then you're going to right click, copy. Then you're going to go to your lab report. Then click in the box you want to upload the image in, and then right click, paste. Then you're going to shrink the image to your desired size. And there you have it, an uploaded digitally labeled image for your lab report. Thank you so much for watching.